Hey guys, it's Marley from Kale and Krunches and welcome back to my channel. I have never done this before, but I wanted to do a get ready with me in real time, just to show like how I get ready for my day. And I thought that I would film it because I didn't know what I wanted to film this week for YouTube, and I have to get ready anyway, so I thought I would take you with me. So welcome back. I normally do videos about like motherhood and pregnancy. This is Drunken Elephant SPF 30, the tinted sunscreen and moisturizer. So it's actually sunny in Toronto today, and that's exciting because it is February and it is normally gray and cold. So I'm very happy to have the sun shining. And I try and wear sunscreen any day that it's sunny out and I know I'm gonna go for a walk. And I like this product because it gives me some good coverage, gives me a bit of a tan and a glow, and it protects my skin with SPF 30. Although I'm in my mid 30s, I'm turning 34 this month. How crazy is that? So I feel like I need to probably wear something a bit more than SPF 30, but whatever, it's just winter. So yeah, I normally do videos about like pregnancy, motherhood, actually fitness and health, which is why the account is called Kale and Krunches if you're new here. But since having my daughter, I really started to focus in on like pregnancy and motherhood. But today we're doing more beauty, I guess. And this is like a very quick and easy get ready with me makeup routine situation. First thing I'm gonna do is my hair. I slept on it wet. I washed it last night at like 10 p.m. So it's still actually a little bit damp, but I'm just going to put it into some natural waves, which is how I always wear my hair. And I get asked about it a lot, and I will show you what I do. So I have a brand new hair iron. This is the GHD Classic. I asked everybody on Instagram, and by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, you might as well go do that because I share a lot of like everyday life with you guys there. And everyone on Instagram told me to get the GHD Platinum. And then I realized that they sell this iron, which is the GHD Classic, at the Bay in Toronto. And I had a gift card there. So I'm like, you know what? That's where I'm gonna get the iron. And I got the Classic and I really don't like it. So I find that it pulls out the hair, like my hair gets stuck in it. And I don't know, I'm not happy with it. When I went back on Instagram and told everyone, they were like, yeah, we told you to get the Platinum, not the Classic. So this was a mistake. And me being like the lazy person that I am, I didn't return it. So I'm just sticking with it, but whatever, it's not such a big deal. I lost a lot of hair after having my first daughter. She is turning 2 in May, and I'm currently pregnant with my second daughter, and I'm due next month. And I lost a ton of hair postpartum, and I have a video actually all about that experience, which I will link up above. So I don't really like that this iron pulls out more hair because I'm like, I can't afford to lose any more hair. So I just try and make sure that it doesn't pull it out. And I actually won't make you sit through like this entire process because we still have 2 more layers. Okay, hair is finished. So I'm really, really low maintenance when it comes to makeup, and I hate getting ready. This to me is not enjoyable. I wish I was one of those people that liked it. This is the Kosas, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. It's the Revealer Concealer, I think it's called. So I really just use a little bit under the eyes to deal with my mom bags. And I'll do a little bit of around the nose just to like deal with redness, and on the chin. And then I normally, especially when I'm pregnant, break out around the chin and cheek area, plus wearing masks, it's not a good situation. So I'm gonna cover up any pimples I have. And I have a lot of scarring here from my first trimester acne that came in pregnancy. So I am like the most pale I've ever been. And this is the least amount of sun exposure I've ever had. My soon to be 34-year-old face will thank me. Next, I'm going to use Nude Sticks Nudies. This is a brush from G Beauty, the foundation kabuki brush. And I'm gonna use this almost like a bronzer. And by the way, I'm not a makeup person or a beauty person at all. So if you're very into beauty and you're wondering what I'm doing, you have every right to wonder what I'm doing and to make fun of me. Okay. How does that look? What do we think? I have no idea what this really looks like right now. It's so hard to tell in the camera. Then I use my finger here on the Marcel cream blush. The color is Nude. And then dab around the apple of the cheeks. And go up again to the temple. Just need a little bit. It's really natural looking and just gives that nice like flush look. I'm super into like minimal makeup. I really just want to look natural. I just want to look like myself. So as you can see, there's not a lot. Brows, this is Gimme Brow by Benefit, and the color I got was 3.75, but I think it's the wrong color. It's almost like too red, and I do have naturally, I've never colored my hair before, but I do have natural like orangey red highlights in my hair. So the person that helped me at the drugstore was like, you need this one, and I regret listening to her. So just like light feathery strokes, just to fill it in a tiny, tiny bit. Second last but not least, this is the Honest Beauty mascara. I love it. It has a lash primer to start. So for someone who doesn't do makeup, doing this in a camera is a really bad idea, but yeah, so this makes your lashes like white, primes them. And I have naturally really long lashes and they're curly, so whenever I do mascara, it tends to make a huge mess, which is annoying, but I always have to clean up after myself on my eyes, and it's probably just because I have no idea what I'm doing. And I can see that I need more coverage on my pimple too, so we'll attend to that after this. Just poke myself in the eye. Yeah, okay. Why do we whisper when we do our makeup? It's like a concentration thing. There it is. Last but not least, this is the Burt's Bees lip gloss, Brilliant Lip Gloss, and the color's Lily Pad, which I love because my daughter's name is Lily. So put this on. This whole thing took what, like 8 minutes? Probably would have been shorter if I wasn't talking the whole time. Take my hair out of the clip. And then that's it. That's my everyday getting ready look with you guys. Hope that you found this fun and helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel. We can chat more, hang out more, get to know each other. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go shoot content now that I'm all dolled up.